Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by unlocking the phone and going straight to Settings. This is where control lives. Once in Settings, open Apps or Apps and Notifications and locate Camera, tap it. If Camera is a pre-installed system app, make sure you first uninstall updates or note that full disable may be limited. You do this because system apps differ from user apps. Removing updates reverts to a disableable base version. Now pause here with Camera app screen visible and proceed to the next set of actions. You'll now remove camera functionality. First force stop to halt processes, then tap disable if available. This hides the app and stops it from running. Once disabled, go to permissions and revoke camera, microphone, and storage access so no app can call the module. If disable is grayed out, uninstall updates to restore the disable option. Alternatively, set up a work profile or guest account to block camera for specific users. These steps prevent background access and make the change persistent across restarts. Finish by rebooting the phone so system services recognize the new state. Restarts often clear lingering processes. Once restarted, verify the camera app is hidden or inert. Open a social app that usually uses the camera to confirm it's blocked. If you still see camera functionality, make sure you actually revoked permissions and uninstalled updates. As a last resort, use a mobile device management profile or disable camera via admin settings. This solves most issues. If not, reset app preferences or contact device support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.